Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to connect Exness to TradingView. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your TradingView over here and select Get Started on top right corner. And after that, if you don't have an account, you could just simply select Sign Up over here. But if you have an account, you could just simply sign in down below over here and just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply select a specific market that you want to review. Let's say I'm gonna go for Netflix over here. Now from here guys, what you could try to do is just simply select this up icon over here down below on the bottom right, and it will open a panel. And from here, as you can see, you could connect through their trusted brokers. You could just simply select all brokers down below over here to see all of the brokers available. And from here guys, you will have multiple options provided by the TradingView, and you can just simply find Exness over here. And now if you don't find it guys, sadly it is not available yet on TradingView. Or what you could try is just simply select explore brokers over here, and after that it will recognize all of the brokers in your region and just simply select one. And now guys, if you don't find Exness over here, sadly Exness is not available on the TradingView. What you could try to do is just simply go to Exness and just simply create an account if you don't have one, or you could just simply sign in. So guys, I recommend going for the Exness since they are just the same like the TradingView. And now here on the Exness, you will have multiple TradingView over here like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you could just simply add another one over here down below, and you could just simply select what would you like to see. And after that, as you can see, you basically have everything over here like the TradingView. So guys, pretty much you don't have an option to connect TradingView to Exness. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and we'll do our best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.